Facing a garage door that just won't budge? The culprit could be broken springs. Torsion or extension springs play a vital role in lifting and lowering your garage door. But over time, wear and tear can lead to failure, leaving your door inoperable. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a barrier to your daily routine and a security risk for your home. Don't let broken springs disrupt your life. Our team of skilled professionals is on standby to provide a swift, safe repair, restoring your garage door's functionality and your peace of mind. If your garage door is down, don't wait around. Call us now at 1-855-673-0813 and get back on track with expert service you can trust.